बेसिकली धारा कमर्शियल के बारे में हम लोग इतना धारा 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 किस लिए कह रहे हैं कि वो एक कमर्शियल है जो कमर्शियल नहीं है. सही मायने में आप देखा जाए मतलब इट्स कन्वेंशनली इट्स अ कमर्शियल दैट एवरीबडी कैन वॉच एंड बाय दैट प्रोडक्ट. व्हाई अ कमर्शियल इज मेड? बिकॉज यू शुड वॉच इट, you get hooked to it, you get convinced, and then you buy the product. But here in Dhara, conventionally, it's not a commercial, it's a kind of entertainment, and everybody is so hooked to it that whenever that commercial used to be played, everybody go and watch that, leaving all the work in hand for 30 seconds. So that was the magic. Okay, I'm not touching my mic. Vishal is the... Hi Sohail, I can wave to you, but I cannot. Is your camera accessible, Sohail? Because that's, I think, the problem, it seems. Vishal is telling me not to touch my mic. You are here, Sohail, but I am not sure if your camera is accessible. You just, because whenever Vishal came online, I could see his camera accessible, and I could, there was an option, bring them to your live video. But in your case, I cannot see that. So just, can you check that? So basically, if even if Sohail doesn't come online today, we can always will continue with this I am talking to you, I am discussing with you, so we can continue this session today. And some other time what we'll do is we'll again do some Zoom call, and I'll record it and put it over here. So today I was talking about Dhara commercial. Why Dhara commercial or any of the commercial in those times came along with us, stuck to us. हमारे साथ मतलब वो हमें इतना क्यों याद रहता है, ऐसा क्या है उन कमर्शियल्स में तो जो हमारे साथ इतना रहे हमें और हमें आज तक याद रहे. तो ऐसे कुछ कुछ कमर्शियल्स आज भी बनाए गए. जैसे फेविकॉल का एक कमर्शियल सुप्रिया ने डाला था. दैट कमर्शियल ऑल्सो वॉज वेरी नाइस. फेविक्विक का फेविक्विक का कमर्शियल, दैट फेविक्विक वीडियो. Again, these commercials are videos. These are not your print ads or your hoardings or radio ads or jingles or spot. These are purely videos. In those times, television was the only medium to release your videos, your commercials, TV commercials. And these people like Dhara or Fevikwik or even let's say Pepsi or Margo. I was working for a cosmetic brand recently, even very recently, and he has his unique selling point. I won't disclose it right now because the product is not yet in the market. But he asked me, do you remember any commercial, any soap which has neem in it? You guys remember? Can you just put it in the comments? What was that soap that comes to your mind first, which has neem in it? नीम के पत्ते जिसमें नीम रहता है ना, ऐसा कोई साबुन है क्या आपके दिमाग में? Anyone? Okay, so I cannot see anything in comment. If you think, hi Shilpa, so can anyone guide as to, yeah Sohail, I also asked that, but I think everybody is Margo. Sohail said bingo. That was Margo. Margo was the soap which had neem in it, correct, and then neem. But first we remembered, Margo. I saw that commercial when I was in 8th or 9th. Okay, sorry Vishal, I touched my mic again. So that Margo thing, so Margo remained with us. So the magic is not selling the product but connect with viewers. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, but then for connecting with viewers, a video which played a great role in Margo, even in Dhara or in Fevikwik. So that storytelling was, and Sohail pointed out very well when I was talking to him, that for especially in case of Dhara was a commercial which never cried for selling. It told the story, then it unfolded everything, every aspect, the USPs about the product in a very, very entertaining way, very sweetly. That boy, Dhara wala, that chota sa bacha, he goes to the station, he is not happy, and he goes and sits on the bench, and then everything on the station is going on routine, nobody notices him. And there's this old man who works with him, Ramu Kaka. He visits the station and he just passes by. He also ignores him. He doesn't notice. He sees that boy, but he doesn't look at him. He just passes by. So this guy who's sitting here, he looks at him. Ramu Kaka. And then Ramu Kaka had already planned the whole thing. So Ramu Kaka sits beside him and asks him, क्या हुआ बेटा? तो कोई मुझसे प्यार नहीं करता, सब मुझसे गुस्सा करते हैं, ये वो, his complaints, his childlike complaints. And then this Ramu Kaka asks him, so what are you going to do? What have you planned? So he said, मैं घर छोड़ के जा रहा हूँ मैं घर छोड़ के नहीं रहूँगा. Then this Ramu Kaka tells कि लेकिन माँ ने तो जलेबियाँ बनाई है गर्मा गर्म. Then the things started. So this guy's eyes like sparkle. Jalebia. And then they go to again on a bicycle. Sweet thing, very sweet thing. So this guy takes him on this on this bicycle, the double seat, and then they go to home. And then there are those fresh jalebis, and माँ asks him के तो बेटा क्या तय किया आपने? तो इसे जाना तो है लेकिन बाबा कहते हैं कि 20-25 साल बाद. So that was that sweetness about the product. Now we never saw anything like that before. कि भाई वो पहले तो धारा ने वो किया था, धारा शुद्ध धारा, तो उसमें हमने सारे चीजें देख रही थी. धारा इज अ लाइट ऑयल, इट्स नॉट, no oil is healthy, nobody can claim that, but धारा is a light oil basically. और कैसे धारा में आप तरह तरह के व्यंजन बना सकते हैं, ये वो सारा एस्टेब्लिश कर चुके थे वो लोग, शुद्धता का जो एस्पेक्ट था. एंड देन दे टोल्ड दिस स्टोरी, दिस स्वीट स्टोरी. देयर आर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एस्पेक्ट्स अबाउट दिस स्वीट स्टोरी. यू कैन, I'll share a link of Economic Times article. Go there and read it. Please read it. Very interesting. How the boy was casted, how Jalebi came in the picture, and earlier it was Kachori who wrote the commercial, and Mudra made it, by the way, Mudra Ahmedabad. So Sohail and I discussed all these things that time. So Sohail picked out that point that this brand, this commercial never cried to sell a brand, sell a product. All that they told was a story of a little boy who's craving his jalebis. वो जलेबी के लिए इतना उतावला, जलेबी उसको खानी है कि वो वापस आ गया जलेबी के चक्कर में, घर आ गया. और क्यों कौन लाया उसमें? तो धारा में तली हुई जलेबियाँ, धारा में बनी हुई जलेबियाँ. तो वो एक वीडियो का मैजिक होता है कि स्टोरी टेलिंग जो होता है, और दैट स्टोरी टेलिंग ऐसा होता है, ये स्टोरी टेलिंग कि आपको ये पूरा एंटरटेन करता है, साथ में आपको प्रोडक्ट भी बेच के जाता है, आपको पता नहीं चलता. जैसे फेविक्विक का कमर्शियल था कि फेविक्विक में वो बंदा आता है और ये एकदम आराम से बैठा हुआ है, मछली पकड़ते हुए, इसको मतलब ये भाई आवाज नहीं करना, ये नहीं करना, वो नहीं करना. एंड दिस गाय बस वो लुंगी पहन के आता है, ऐसे एकदम एक छड़ी में कुछ लगा देता है, छड़ी पानी में धरता है और छड़ी हिलने लगती है, 6-7 मछलियां आ जाती है. क्या है भाई? ऐसा तो कभी देखा नहीं था. पहले कैसे होते थे? पहले बिल्कुल एक बंदा आता था, वो बोलता था ये सारा है, वो सारा है, आप ये प्रोडक्ट खरीदो. बट ये नया एडवर्टाइजिंग था उस वक्त, नया टाइप था कि 2 हाथी खींच रहे एक गोल को और वो कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, जोर लगा के आई या जोर लगा के आई, एंड देन वो हाथी थक जाते हैं. एंड देन आवर गाय कम्स एंड सेज कि ये फेविकॉल का मजबूत जोड़ है, ऐसे टूटेगा नहीं. तो वो एक अलग टाइप का, नया टाइप का एडवर्टाइजिंग था उस जमाने में, नया टाइप का स्टोरी टेलिंग था वीडियोज में. सो दीज काइंड ऑफ वीडियोज मेड एडवर्टाइजिंग अलाइव, टीवी एडवर्टाइजिंग स्पेशली. और उसके बाद वो सारा शुरू हुआ. वैसे उसके बाद तो फिर मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज आ गए पोस्ट 91, एंड देन दीज चैनल्स, प्राइवेट चैनल्स केम इन, एंड एडवर्टाइजिंग, टीवी एडवर्टाइजिंग स्पेशली, वीडियोज इन एडवर्टाइजिंग टुक अ न्यू लीप ऑल टुगेदर. और फिर बहुत सारे ऐसे कमर्शियल्स बने, और इन स्पेशली इन 2000 एंड द न्यू मिलेनियम देयर वर प्लेंटी ऑफ सच कमर्शियल्स व्हिच टोल्ड अ वेरी गुड स्टोरी. They never tried to sell the brand, yet we bought those products. So that is what the magic of advertising and the magic of videos is all about. And unfortunately we couldn't so Sohail is saying something that try this, select a guest from live viewers section. So live viewers section, I can see live viewers, your viewers are, but still Sohail, I cannot add you for this. I don't know why. I tried bring Sohail add on camera. I think finally it's working. Finally it's working. Yes. Sohail is coming on board. Sohail, I am trying this. Sohail, where are you? Where are you? Soil is being added. Soil is anything needed? आपकी तरफ से कुछ करना है इसमें? The guest declined the live video invitation. क्यों भाई इतना गुस्सा क्यों? Soil, अरे I tried to bring you on board again. I'm sending him an invitation. भाई ये काम तो करना है आज जिस किसी भी हालत में देखते हैं अभी वापस से Soil. Yeah. He's saying yeah. Why are you so angry? Why are you declining? Again, I'm going to try. अगर ये नहीं होता है तो फिर ये ना मतलब नारियल वारियल तोड़ना पड़ेगा कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा यार ये ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है ये सोचना पड़ेगा हम लोग को so I'm trying to add Sohail again I can see here I'm hoping and what's happening nothing's happening sorry guys I am not seeing this happening sorry it's won't happening so what's happening Sohail what is happening at your end I can see your comment here yeah but sorry guys that was about this so shall I conclude it Sohail what do you suggest we'll do a zoom call again and then again I'll try and put this so we'll do discuss something else ये धारा बहुत हो गया यार what do you suggest you're not declining but it says the guest is trying to decline okay so Sohail says he's not declining but I said join but okay okay Sohail is trying one more time so let's wait. A very old commercial. Jackie Joyner Kersey wearing a red jersey comes in running in graceful strides and runs into a blue backdrop followed by logo. Okay. And what was the brand Ajay? Because we haven't seen that commercial. Please send it one more time. Soil says, please send it one more time. So I am sending it again. And Soil will try to join. The guest has declined. Soil, bye नहीं हो रहा है आज तो. आज ये बिल्कुल फ्लॉप शो हो गया अपना तो चलो guys uh, I think I'll conclude with this note because this is not happening sorry Soil I think we'll just conclude this okay Ajay says that Apple commercial so Ajay try and put that link over here for us so we'll also enjoy that if you find a link on YouTube please put that link over here so we'll also enjoy that I think we'll conclude if okay as well sorry I'm also feeling bad that we couldn't talk on this show but yeah it's very sad but we'll again try sir try it sometime we should try because we are talking about videos and we'll have to overcome these technological challenges otherwise what's of use yeah Soil also tried and but nothing happened it's okay man we'll do it for some other time Apple is red and IBM is blue oh, okay Ajay will watch that video or Sharp Focus says hello Amol sir hello Sharp Focus hi you carry on with your okay so Vishal says you carry on with your talk so shall I continue or no probs will make it that's what Sohail says okay shall we continue or shall I conclude what do you say because I talked about this oh my god I'm sweating I don't know why okay so more and more people are joining in I think I'll continue with this so guys I was talking about the video we tried to bring in Soil but somehow it's not happening I'm sorry so sorry for that so we were talking about this advertising and video combination so now the thing is have you noticed that there are many videos there are many brands that are communicating via videos yes Soil thank you so much I'm going on uh, unfortunately without you this time, but yes. So there are many brands which are communicating through videos, via videos, and on different platforms. Now earlier that was only I as I told you, there was only one platform. हम लोग टीवी पे जाते थे, टीवी पे जाके देखते थे वीडियोस, और अगर पसंद आता है, नहीं आता है, नहीं थे। और उस टाइम आप सोचिए कि there was only Sunday and half of Saturday, which was only one channel, Doordarshan. There was half day of Saturday, half a day of Saturday, and a Sunday, in which maximum viewership was there. So imagine the creativity, the kind of creativity these people must have had, that those ads still, those are still fresh in our minds. We nowadays, if you switch on the TV and surf the channels, I'm sure you must watch a Colgate or a Close Up or any Unilever commercial or any kind of mobile phone commercial for at least for 10 times in 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Earlier, you had got to watch a commercial for not more than 2 3 times a day, that too on a Sunday, because early otherwise शाम को 7:30 7:30 बजे लोग टीवी ऑन करते थे, कुछ लोग 10 11 बजे तक करते थे, बहुत से लोग 9:30 बजे का 9 का सीरियल खत्म हुआ नहीं कि बंद करते थे, सो जाते थे। उतने में जो भी ऐड आता था देखने को मिलता था, उसमें भी बहुत स्मार्ट एड्स बने। बट नाउ द times are totally changed. Now videos have become an integral part of advertising, any marketing kind of activity, which whenever we plan it, videos are on the top. लोग वीडियो से शुरू करते हैं। अभी a day before yesterday I got a call from a very not so popular as yet, but yes, they want to be popular. So that's an app, that app, that's a kind of Ola Uber kind of service, and they want to play in this market. Or so what they are doing is they are going to plan their marketing activity with a video. Same with, I was talking about that cosmetic brand earlier. So that cosmetic brand, which is yet to come in the market, my commercial is ready, and due to lockdown, this commercial couldn't go on air. We were planning to launch it in the theaters, but again, theaters are not working. So this is a very interesting change कि लोग वीडियो से शुरू कर रहे हैं, लोग अपना मार्केटिंग एक्टिविटी वीडियो से शुरू कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि उनको पता है। इसका मतलब ये था कि बहुत सालों से, लाइक 20 25 30 40 सालों से लोगों को पता था कि वीडियो से कोई चीज बोले, अगर आप फिल्म में कोई चीज बोले तो वो तुरंत समझ में आ जाती है ना। सो वॉट एवर you talk through a video is easy to understand, and a buyer easily gets convinced. Again, एक चीज उसमें थी कि उसमें एक प्राइड ऐड था, एक टाइप का प्राइड था कि मेरा ऐड टीवी पे आता है। तो वो एक टाइप का प्राइड था उसके साथ, एक कि मेरा ऐड टीवी पे आता है, तो ऑब्वियसली लोगों के मन में भी था इसका ऐड टीवी पे आता है, इसका मतलब इसका प्रोडक्ट अच्छा होगा। आज भी टेलीविजन एडवर्टाइजिंग इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव एज कंपेयर टू सोशल मीडिया एडवर्टाइजिंग। We all know that. We all know that television advertising is very expensive, and broadcasting your commercial on a television is very expensive affair. So until and unless you have that kind of kitty, you cannot go on television. So social media is the best way to go for your videos. But then social media पे क्या है? सोशल मीडिया पे आपको आपका वीडियो दिखाने के लिए कितना टाइम मिलता है? 5 सेकंड। 5 सेकंड। देयर आर प्लेंटी ऑफ वीडियोस आर बीइंग प्लेड। आप अपना फोन ऐसे पकड़ते हो, आपको ये वीडियो 5 सेकंड के अंदर पसंद नहीं आया, स्वाइप, गया आपका चांस। ये होता है। तो इसके लिए आज की तारीख में अगर वीडियो बनाना है तो बहुत ज्यादा क्रिएटिविटी लगानी पड़ती है कि पहले 5 सेकंड में बंदे को हुक कैसे करके रखे। तो धारा जैसी कमर्शियल जो टाइमलेस है, आप धारा जैसी कमर्शियल बनाओ जिसमें काफी सारा एंटरटेनमेंट वैल्यू है, तो आप तुरंत वो बंदे को खींच सकते हो, वहां पे चिपका सकते हो कि भाई मैं तो मतलब सी इफ आई एम जस्ट गोइंग थ्रू माय फोन, आई एम चेकिंग ऑन माय वीडियोस, and I see something kind of धारा kind of एक क्यूट सा बच्चा है कहीं जा रहा है, तो इमीडिएटली मैं रुकता हूँ, मैं देखता हूँ भाई क्या करेगा ये बच्चा। तो ये स्टोरी टेलिंग मरा नहीं है, मीडियम चाहे कुछ भी हो, स्टोरी टेलिंग नेवर डाइज। So in a commercial video, storytelling is the most important aspect. So this storytelling is still with us now. Uh, the ways and means of telling a story has changed. The treatments have changed, but still that essence is still there. Entertainment is still there. So we are basically looking for an entertainment. Nobody wants to be a victim, a kind of, जैसे आपको वो कहते हैं ना, मैं इसमें अभी कहूंगा नहीं, लेकिन आपको वो जैसे कोई भी चीज दिखा के कोई चीज बेचनी है, तो आपको ये लगना नहीं चाहिए कि मुझे कोई कुछ बेच रहा है, आप नहीं खरीदते हो। हाँ, अगर आपको उस चीज की बहुत ज्यादा, इफ यू आर सो नीडी एट दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम, you are in need of a product, like if I want to buy a phone and if I see a phone commercial, even if it's not entertaining at all, if it's boring, a typical informative kind of commercial, I'll watch that. But ऐसे chances कितने हैं? There are very rare, these situations come very rarely, otherwise people are not in the want of, and again, जैसे आपको अगर बिस्किट का कमर्शियल है, बिस्कुट का, तो कितने सारे बिस्किट्स हैं, ऐसे थोड़ी ना है कि आपको मतलब यही बिस्किट अभी खाना है, 3 बजे वो खाना है, 4 बजे वो खाना है, तो बिस्किट बिस्किट होता है। तो बिस्किट का कमर्शियल जितने भी बिस्किट्स हैं, वो अगर मैं एंटरटेनमेंट के तौर पे देखूं, तो ही मैं देखूंगा। मुझे पता है कि मुझे अगर डार्क फैंटेसी खाना है, तो मुझे कमर्शियल नहीं देखना है डार्क फैंटेसी। आई नो व्हाट डार्क फैंटेसी इज until and unless that's a new brand in the market. अदरवाइज फॉर एग्जिस्टिंग ब्रांड्स आई नो, बट बड़े बड़े जो टिकट साइज है जिनका, जैसे कि फोन हो गया, टीवी हो गया, फ्रिज हो गया, या कार हो गई, तो फॉर दैट ऑफ कोर्स आई विल गो बाय ब्रांड, I'll go by its products, its features, its price, and everything, other options and offers and everything. But if it's a routine FMCG commodity, आई एम लीस्ट बॉदर्ड। ओके, मैंने इस बार ले लिया, नहीं पसंद आया तो फेंक दिया। तो ऐसे मामले में ऐसी चीजें सेल करने के लिए सोचिए कितना ज्यादा क्रिएटिविटी लगानी पड़ती है स्टोरी टेलिंग में। बेसिकली आज का टॉपिक यही था कि एडवर्टाइजिंग प्लस वीडियोस, दिस मैरिज इज, इसका अभी शायद मतलब ये सही मायने में अभी इसका काइंड ऑफ हनीमून पीरियड शुरू हो गया है, जो कि पहले शायद कोर्टशिप था और या फिर मजबूरन टाइप का था, बट अभी जो है ना, अभी ये दिस इज अ गोल्डन पीरियड फॉर दिस कॉम्बिनेशन। बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स अवेलेबल हैं जिसपे आप ये दिखा सकते हो वीडियोस, कमर्शियल मार्केटिंग वीडियोस, और बहुत सारे व्यूअर्स हैं, बहुत सारे चॉइसेस हैं। एट द सेम टाइम यू विल हैव टू बी हाईली क्रिएटिव so that you are not being swiped. So that's it about today. If you uh, go to Ajay is saying something. It was in 1991, 92 when Alec Padamji commented that remote is the biggest tool for viewers, hence ads will be compelled to be absolutely bang on. So that is again that Ajay, as you pointed out, it's correct that this storytelling again. If my ad is not entertaining, I'm not going to watch it. I'm not going to watch some boring commercial, because that's what I have been doing for whole day. I've been looking at the hoardings. I have been reading newspapers and some dirty stuff and depressions and everything. And then I'm coming here and somebody is selling me products here. I mean, why? Okay, I'll be entertained. I'll prefer entertainment. So instead of a remote control, we have our finger, so we can just swipe it out. So this advertising and video combination is deadly. It's very effective if used well. Videos can do wonders. Videos can bring you more business in very less time, but it needs to be done properly, with a proper plan, with a good research, and with the videos that tell stories. Not every time you need a commercial, a typical TV commercial which has characters and dramatization. You can make videos with your own faces where you yourself is a hero of your product, or your employees can make videos, or they might be very some layman testimonial kind of videos. So that's about it. And I think we'll conclude with this. Again, sorry for the fiasco, and then that thing happened. But some other time we'll cover it up. Thank you so much. I'm Amol Bakshi from the Vidwan Lab, and go and subscribe to our channel on YouTube and join our Facebook community. Thank you so much.